Hello guys, today we're gonna be creating the Premiere Pokeball and yeah, using the Pokeball that we first model at the beginning once again. And yeah, let's get started. If you don't know what the Premiere Ball it is, so I only it's pretty much just been appear once in an episode and in some trading cards and in manga, but it's not that popular. We're just gonna create it real quick. Shouldn't be that hard, but we're gonna do pretty much. I think there's 26 in total, and we're gonna hopefully do them all. Okay, so go into the texture, select our shader, and we're gonna use the same shader for the top and the bottom, and I think this one too. Yeah, so let's go into edit mode, click, select away, select, go over here, then assign. We can delete this one after press tab. Okay, good. We are pretty much halfway there. Click on this band here, and it's using like a pinkish reddish tone. Yeah, so it's looking something like that. Excellent. That is actually pretty cool. So in order to make this a bit more unique, and this is using actually a slight pink with a bit of gray. Let's reduce it as much as possible. Yeah, it's like a hint. You could barely notice it, but as you can see, it's just a tiny bit of pink in it. Okay, let's go into our shader, and let's make this a bit more interesting. Okay, so first of all, let's copy this color because we're gonna bring it back up, and then add convert color ramp, add it here, and then add it here as well. Okay, and then for this one we are going to make it a bit darker, intensify the color just a tiny bit. Awesome, we have this nice gradient. Let's go on to add input, and let's do a Fernell, and that should hopefully work. Okay, yeah, so this is what we want. So as you can see, the outside of it, we're getting this the darker pink. Let's see if we reduce this. Here we go. Excellent. Okay, let me decrease the how much color we're getting. So let's decrease the saturation so it's a bit slightly. Yeah, I know it's very subtle, but it does make a difference. We're using, yeah, let's turn that back on. Awesome. And the last thing that we're going to do is, let's decrease the roughness. Is let's see if we can add some texture noise, and I'm gonna put this here for now. Okay, and then if you have the node wrangler, control T, but you can find these nodes here as well. I think I went over this already, but you can look them up here. Okay, so generate UV, normal. Let's just try different ones. Okay, yeah, that kind of works. Let's do another convert, color ramp, and constant. Well, that is actually pretty cool, but that's not what we're looking for. Window, not camera, but let's try that too. That might actually work. So increase the size, and all we want is just, well, can we do that with UV so we don't have it move? Yes, but it's much smaller here. What else can we use? Okay, texture coordinates. Can we use the geometry position? So it's gonna be a static image for now. Let's use the let's see, reflection. Wow, that is the best result, but no, I don't like that it moves actually. Generate. Yeah, this is gonna work actually. Okay, so zero distortion, details. Let's take actually, yeah, no, leave the details. Let's make them way smaller, decrease them, and just, we're gonna have just tiny, really tiny specks, and we're gonna add that to the metal. Let's see what happens. Oh, invert that. They're too small for us to notice. That is fine. That was just something that I wanted to try. And actually, that's not bad. That is not bad at all. Couple of tiny specks. Let's add a normal or a bump. Add it to the normal, add this to the height. Let's see what we got, if they are more prominent. Okay, yeah, that's kind of cool. I like that. I will fix the this section here, but as of now it's pretty good. So there you guys have it. That's the Premiere Pokeball, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.